Are you trying to figure out exactly how to save music and audio on Instagram for your reel so you can refer back to it later and use it for your content on Instagram? I'm going to give you an exact tutorial. I'm going to show you on my phone right here exactly how to save any music, any audio that you see to your save section, and then how to navigate back to it and use it again in the future. Alright, so I have my phone pulled up right here and I am in the Reels tab of Instagram. And when you see an audio or music that you want to save, all you simply have to do is tap on the name of the audio or music at the bottom. You'll see there's like an upward arrow, which also means this audio is trending, but you tap on the name of it right here, and then under this section, you can simply tap on Save Audio. If you want to go ahead and use it for an Instagram reel right then. I'm going to go ahead and tap X now to get out of this, and if you don't see this saved button right here, you need to be a creator account in order to use popular music or popular audios happening on Reels. So it's basically the same as business account. You can still have a shop, you have insights, like all of that stuff. It just also allows you to have access to popular music and audio to use for your Reels and other Instagram content. I'm also going to show you how to save from a post you see on your main home screen feed. So here's a post from Later, my favorite scheduling program that happened to pop up in my feed. So if you want to save an audio here, up at the top under their username, it says Later Media. Under that, it says Later Media Original Audio. I'm going to tap on that name right here and it's going to take me to the audio page. I can then simply tap on Save Audio and it saves it to my save section. So now you're probably wondering, how do I access the saved audio later? Let me show you. Alright, so right here we are in the Reels editing interface, like where you go to create and edit a reel. What you can do is either, once you've already filmed and recorded something in here, or you can first tap on the little music icon on the left-hand side at the top. I'm going to tap on the icon here, and at the very top, there is a button that says Save. Tap on Saved here, and all of the saved audio you've ever saved will show up right here. You can simply tap on an audio to add it to your reel you've already recorded, or you can then go ahead and start recording your reel with that audio. Another way to access your saved audio is to go to your Instagram bio, tap the little 3 lines in the upper right-hand corner. After that, you're going to tap on Saved. It's about halfway down the list right there. And then, once you go into here at the very top, you'll see the very first like folder in here is called Audio. Simply tap on that, and this is where you can also access and see all of your different saved audio. Again, you can tap on one, you can tap Use Audio, you can remove it from your saved if you want to, all of that stuff. So thank you so much for tuning in, and if you haven't already, also subscribe to the channel because we upload new videos surrounding content creation, how to make Instagram Reels, Instagram strategy, passive income, building out digital products, things like that. So we would love to help you with growing your brand online, and go ahead and subscribe so you have to stay up to date on every new video that we share with you guys. For your digital marketing, web development, and e-commerce needs, please visit us at www.zionike.net. Thank you for watching Zionike digital marketing videos. Please check our channel for other exciting and informative videos. Like, share, and subscribe for many more to come soon. Bye!